What is bruxism? About chronic teeth grinding. What is bruxism? Bruxism is the habitual teeth grinding or clenching of teeth and can occur when you are awake, aka awake bruxism, or ob, or while sleeping, aka sleep bruxism, CB. An estimated 20 of adults have AB, and frequent CB occurs in about 13 of adults. Women are more likely than men to have AB, though no gender differences are noted for SB. Sleep bruxism tends to be a good indicator of people who also have awake bruxism. ESB is considered a sleep movement disorder, and people who have SB often have other sleep disorders too, such as heavy snoring or sleep apnea. A number of studies have also found a strong link between bruxism and temporomandibular joint dysfunction, TM, which is an umbrella term for a group of over 30 conditions that cause pain and dysfunction in the sliding jaw joint that connects our jaw to our skull.